In this video, we're going to guide you through how you can transfer Discord server ownership. If you do find this video useful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Discord content like this. Now, for whatever reason you no longer want to be the owner of a Discord server, you can either give ownership to someone else or delete the server. Here's how you can give ownership. Once you're on the server that you want to transfer ownership to, simply go ahead and select the server settings by clicking on the name up in the top left corner and then selecting server settings just like so. And in this left menu over here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find members. In this section right here, you're going to want to find the member that you want to transfer ownership to. Essentially go ahead and find them and then right click on their name and it's going to pull up a menu that looks something like this, and there's going to be a transfer ownership option. Simply go ahead and select that and then tick off this little box right here that says you are acknowledged that you're transferring ownership of this server to someone else and it does officially now belong to them. Simply go ahead and click this, and if you are prompted to enter in a verification code sent to like your email or your phone number, go ahead and do that. But that is literally it. The server now officially belongs to them. If you have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.